Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of LeetCode playlist. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 26, which is remove duplicate from a sorted array in C++. This is an easy level problem. In this problem we are given a sorted array and our task is to remove the duplicate element in place of such that the unique element appears only once. Finally, we need to return the number of unique elements present in the array. For example, if the input array is like this, input array is 1, 1, 2. After removing duplicates, the array becomes only 1 and 2. Okay, the answer returned as 2 because there are only 2 unique elements and since the array is already sorted, all the duplicate elements appear next to each other, which makes the problem easier to solve efficiently. To solve this problem, we'll move to the code first. We'll check. First of all, we'll check whether the array is empty or not. If the size of the array is 0, then we directly return 0. Like this. If num dot size equals to 0, then return 0. After that, we will declare a variable name int I equals to 1 because the first element is 0. Then we will run the for loop from 0 to size of an array. Int j equals to 0, j less than nums dot size j plus plus. Okay. After that, inside the loop, we compare the nums of I with nums of j by using if condition. Nums of I doesn't equal to nums of j. Then I plus plus. After that, we increment I and place the new unique element at the position I using nums of I equals to nums of j. At the end, we return I plus 1. This way, all the unique elements are shifted to the beginning of an array and the duplicate elements are ignored automatically. Finally, we return this condition. Because the array indexing store starts from 0, so the total number of unique elements become 1 more than the index. Let's check the code. Okay, okay, nums. The small mistake. Nums. Number 2. Oh, can see here all the codes are the results are true. Submit code. So that's how we can solve this problem by sorting method. Okay, thank you.